Welcome everyone, my name is Mark and you're watching Fan 1080 Travels. This is where we share our travel experiences with you so you can be better prepared for your upcoming vacation. Thanks for joining us as we take a trip from Sanctuary Grand Memories over to the market. For those that don't know, there is a market located between Memories and Royalton. You'll find restaurants, shopping, spa, gym, etc. The restaurants and spa are not included with the all-inclusive package at Memories, but Sanctuary guests have access to the gym. As a reminder, this is the Memories Complete Resort. The market is located over to the left, and we will be taking a trip from Sanctuary, which is located to the right, all the way over to the market. To get there, we're going to take transport, or you can walk. It's about 1 kilometer. Just follow the path from Sanctuary all the way over to the market. You can walk, it's about 1 kilometer, or you can hop on one of the golf carts and the guys will be happy to take you over. If you do happen to be walking along the path and they are traveling in the direction that you want to go, just simply flag them down. And if there's room on the cart, hop on and continue on your way. So what you saw there, he was heading off to the left to drop some people off at the front lobby as they were heading out. And then we're back onto the pathway here, just going around the side by the Grand Memories buffet there on the left and the Grand Memories pool area to the right here. Beep beep. The buffets there to the left and the theater to the right. The theaters really have nightly shows for all 3 resorts, Paraiso, Grand Memories, and Sanctuary Grand Memories. You can enjoy shows there nightly. The Paraiso buffet to the left, the back side of the lobby there as well for Paraiso. Just here to the right, that's the Paraiso main pool. And here we are at the end of the Memories Resort and just heading into the market area. As I said at the beginning of the video, there's a number of options here for restaurants. There's some shopping. The spa is located up here to the right, and the gym as well. The spa and the gym are located down that way to the right-hand side. There's also a bowling alley located in there. And if you're up for a little exercise, take a walk up to the top of the tower here for some very nice views. That's looking from the tower to the left, going back into the Memories Resort area. That's looking straight down one of the main streets there from the tower. Over towards Royalton. And from the tower out towards the beach area. Some really nice views up there. There's an overview and map area of the whole market. And some shots of the various offerings in the market area. Thanks for joining us, everyone. If you'd hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications for when we release new videos, that would be appreciated. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy travels.